Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can book an appointment for a US visa from the UAE. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is complete a DS-160 form, which will be done online. You can fill out this DS-160 visa application at this website. Ensure that your DS-160 confirmation barcode matches your appointment profile, and this is a requirement which is mandatory as of May the 1st, 2025. You now need to create an account and schedule your appointment. So visit this website. The nominee grant visa appointments are open every Friday from 7:30 to 11:30 a.m. and that is UAE time for both Abu Dhabi Embassy as well as Dubai Consulate. Prepare for your interview. So here you'll need to gather your appointment confirmation, your DS-160 confirmation page, your passport, and the required documents. For immigrants, visas, you have to schedule your medical exam at approved UAE clinics beforehand. Here is a critical reminder. Submit your DS-160 form at least 2 business days before your interview to avoid any delays. Also, double check all your details for accuracy before your submission. This, of course, will eliminate any problems